Hey everyone, I hope you all had a nice spring break. So just wanted to spend a few minutes just going over week 4 and remaining rest of the school year expectations, assignments, and preparation for the AP exam. Just want to make sure that we're all on the same page. First off, we're going to start having weekly assignments due on Fridays. So first up, that week 4 assignment of 12 FRQs will be due this Friday, and hopefully you all have got my remind text messages. So I'll go through each of the things on my website as well as the calendar as well. So if we look at the calendar now, you can find that on my digital learning page. First up, I'm going to start having Zoom help sessions for any students who have any questions, or if there's anything that is unclear with assignments or with Google Drive or anything like that, or individual assignments. I'd be happy to help. So I'll send out the links on Tuesdays a little before 2 o'clock. And then each Friday you have assignments due. Just be aware that for those of you who have not turned in week 1 through 3, those practice tests are due not this Friday, but the next Friday, following Friday, the 24th. So that in addition to week 5. So hopefully you guys have made some progress there, so it won't be too much to do leading up to that. So these 12 FRQs, as long as you're spending 20 to 30 minutes every day doing 2 or 3 FRQs a day, you should be able to get through them without too much trouble. And then same thing with May 1st. So May 1st is technically the last day for seniors, but after this, we will have, if you still want to turn in extra credit assignments, I will accept them up until Friday the 8th. And then your exam is going to be at 2 o'clock. Online, and I'll have a help session the day before at 5 p.m. So let me also point out a couple of things from the digital learning page that hopefully you guys are aware, where you can find the agenda summary sheet and the assignments video, and then you're able to look at the calendar. So here are, and if we go down the list here we have resources where I'm going to have this available for AP exam details, tips, and advice. So I'm going to continually try to update this over the next couple of weeks. Summary sheets, these will be good to print out eventually when you're because your AP exam is open notes, so having everything in front of you is nice. Here are the links for the weeks 1 through 3. Hopefully you guys have made progress here. And you'll be submitting everything through Google Drive. Keep scrolling down. Here we have week 4's assignments. So you can just download these free response worksheets, fill them out, check your work, make corrections, and then you can upload into your Google Drive folder, and you can just put that all under week 4. It just makes it easier for me to see all your work in an organized form. Okay, week 5, same idea, 12 FRQs. Week 6, also 12 FRQs. And then finally, your extra credit assignments. Obviously, these are optional, but I'll encourage you guys to do these since these will only help your grade, and I'm just looking for completion. So as long as you're going through them and making corrections and showing your work, you'll get full credit for all these assignments, and they're not due until May 8th, so you can kind of turn in as you go through it. You can do it early, you can do it late, you can do it all the way up until that May 8th deadline. And then I'm going to be trying to put together some mock AP exams. So far, we only know that it's 2 full response questions. One's 25 minutes, the other is 15 minutes. So I'm trying to create some FRQs that are a little extended, that can maybe fill that 25-minute time frame. Okay, so back to the digital learning page, or the first page here. I also want to point this out here that there's a link under item 4, and this is College Board's teacher-led instructions. And for this upcoming week, I believe starting even today, at 2 p.m. they're going to have an hour-long video sessions going over each unit. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to this AP Calculus AB playlist, and these are kind of upcoming. These dates are 13th, 14th, but even if you don't watch it live, these will all be available for you to look to watch. So I think these could be helpful. In addition to, these aren't required, but these could be helpful just to kind of see other teachers present these reviews, and maybe this will be good to kind of go over each of the units' reviews to kind of help refresh your memory, especially with first semester material. Okay, so I think I've gone through a couple of these things out of order, but next is make sure that you are able to turn in your assignments through your Google Drive folder. I believe I've sent out all the Google Drive information to your Gmail address. And again, if the videos are going to be have videos provided for each problem to kind of help you if you have questions about any problems that is not specified through the solution key. So, but if the videos are still leaving you with questions, then feel free to contact me. Okay, so when you're submitting through Google Drive, if you haven't received my email, or if you can't find that email, please send me your Gmail address again through Remind, or ask me to send you another request through Google Drive so that you're able to see that. And again, you guys all got hopefully you guys all got my Remind message. So after looking over your assignments and details and due dates, and you're clear on those expectations, make sure you are responding back to me with yes. And then as I do want to make sure that you're clear on all the procedures, and even the ones, especially ones involving Google Drive as well. Extra credit assignments due that May 8th. I think I've gone over that. Week 1 through 3 assignments due Friday the 24th. There will be small deductions for late assignments, but if we're just putting in the time every day, it shouldn't be overwhelming. If you put in 20 to 30 minutes a day, sometimes not even that much, you're able to just do all your work and turn in your assignments by the appropriate due dates. These have been sent out to you from Mr. Jones. So for seniors, the last day is May 1st. If you've completed all the graduation requirements, and I will still, though, take extra credit assignments and update your grades up to that May 8th deadline if you still want to do them. So your grades as of March 12th will stand. That is going to be the baseline. So your grade is not going to drop below that March 12th grade, which is that last day that we were in school physically. So your grade can only go up from there. However, you must remain engaged, and so what I mean by that is, for this class, just turn in your assignments. Turn in those required assignments, and you'll be able to improve your grade, and you won't have to deal with an incomplete at the end of the semester. I'm going to have weekly help sessions on Tuesdays, 2 p.m. went over that the YouTube AP course unit review. Tips and advice is a work in progress, but I will have that up, or at least some form of that up soon, so that you can access it. But just understand that I'm going to continue to update this over the course of the next few weeks. I'm going to be attending some upcoming webinars offered by College Board for teachers over the next 2 weeks, just to learn more about the details of the AP exam, and I'll share with you once I go through them. Just final details about AP exam. It's going to be 2 p.m. on the May 12th, 45 minutes in length. You're going to be able to access that exam online through your phone, your tablet, or your laptop. It's going to be 2 free response questions. One is 25 minutes, the other is 15 minutes. Open book, open notes, calculators allowed. You will have a chance to do test run practice with online access procedure, upload tests, etc. All that will come late April or early May. I will keep you updated, and I also have a link that it's not there. I haven't put together that link yet, but this will once I have instructions, I will make that link available so that you're able to see video demo as well as just more of the actual day process as you are getting ready for that AP exam. Okay, I believe that's all I have for you. So hopefully you guys are clear on the assignments. I think the biggest thing is I want to make sure that everyone is able to access their Google Drive folder, and you may not have gotten emails, so hopefully we can get that resolved in the next day or two. But hopefully we can finish out this semester strong, and look forward to continuing to help you guys and prepare you guys for the AP exam and for the end of the semester. All right, have a great week.